Hi, it's Karma. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be opening the Goddess Provisions box and see whether or not the subscription's worth it. Did we get our bang for our buck? Now on our channel we also add additional information in the text below the video to give you some further information besides just what's on the card, because we do use a lot of those items in our crystal grids and our meditation videos, so check those out as well. So this month, Goddess Provisions, and I'll put the subscription information in the text below so that you can see all of it, so I don't have to spend time going through it. But that's what the box looks like when we open it this month. And I'm going to switch over to a different camera view now so that you can see all the items up close and personal.
I'm already super excited about this box. I can tell it's going to be a good one. It has that big box over on the side and several bags. So I'm going to put the box over here and we will get started. Let's see what we have first. Okay, so this is Gemstone Organics Seraph Elixir. Set the space for your divination ritual and call in your angel guides when you apply this clarifying elixir that features myrrh, ginger, sandalwood, sweet orange, and geranium essential oils infused with iolite gemstone essence. So I usually like all of these ingredients, but I'm not sure I like them together the way they have them. But you don't have to like the way it smells for it to be able to do its job. So, pretty little bag, all wrapped up. Tough for me to get into. Let's see. Now this whole box is on divination, so I'm assuming everything to do with it will have to do with divination, which is why that oil was the divination oil. And that's why I said even though it doesn't smell good, it could still be doing a good job as being a good divination oil. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a beautiful pendulum. Oh my gosh, so it's got the really big clear quartz on the bottom, and then it's got a little point on the top as well. It's a nice quality. That's really beautiful. So, wield this ancient tool to access guidance and inspiration from your higher self. Once calibrated, ask it for answers to your biggest questions and to clear blocked chakras. And this is a $22 value. And yeah, looking at other pendulums, I would say that this is definitely worth the $22. Oh, I'm so excited this box is turning out to be amazing. So let's see, what do we have next? Another oh, it says Rune Stones on it. I love working with Rune Stones if you've never worked with them. Oh wow, these are wooden. So that's really cool, especially like if you're traveling or something, to have a set that's so light and can be taken around so much. Let's see what it says about them. This rune set includes 25 stones that are made of Shirma, superba wood and laser etched with symbols from the ancient Elder Futhark runic alphabet. Intuitively draw one or more pieces to gain insight into a question or situation, and that's a $22 value. And then we have a guidebook that goes along with it. Consult this guidebook to interpret the meaning of Elder Futhark symbols and how the message applies to your current circumstances, and that's a $6 value. So now I'm showing you inside their main card that has all the different descriptions, and on the bottom it actually has a digital download for a digital book, and that's called Introduction to Magick, and you can go and download that, and it gives you 7 exercises to amplify your intentions and enhance your connection with the supernatural. On this side we have the monthly mantra. My channel to the divine is open and ready to receive mystical guidance. Perfect for divination. Then we have this envelope. Oh, Oh, that's really cool. It's a pendulum board. I have never worked with a pendulum board. Let's see what it says. This pendulum board draws on the support of nature spirits with hand-drawn designs of plants, crystals, the sun, and the moon that are laser etched into maple wood. Use it in unison with your crystal pendulum to receive clear yes and no answers to your questions. That's really cool. I'm excited to try that. So I saved the big box for last, and I already think this box is the best box I've ever gotten from them. But let's open up this big box and see what it is for divination. Aha! A tea leaf reader cup. That is cool. Goddess Provisions Divination Teacup and Saucer. Enjoy a cup of loose leaf tea in this mystical porcelain teacup and discover the art of tassography. Reflect on a question as you sip. When finished, observe the tea leaf configurations set up against the map of the moon phases for insight into your inquiry. Learn how to read messages in your cup at goddessprovisions.com/tassography. It's a $33 value. That is gorgeous. You know, if you're doing divinations like that with loose leaf tea, you can look at what questions you have and choose a loose leaf tea that actually has to do with the question that you want.
So what did you think of the Goddess Provisions box this month? I thought it was freaking amazing. For the price of this box, I think this is one of the best boxes that you can order. Thank you for joining us today. If you have a minute, check out the link that I'm putting above for our crystal grid videos that are going up. We're starting a really great family community there where we do dedications and different crystal grids every month. So if you want to be a part of that, click that link and head on over. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope that you're blessed with good karma.